Rasta Vibes and Yakin Boats, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Gone deep in the jungle. Zion deep in the jungle. Lightning carve across the sky. Crown of storms is lifted high. Thunder roll with holy sound. Crown of storms shake all around. Babylon throne begin to bend. Crown of storms bring judgment end. Every cloud a fiery flame. Crown exalt your mighty name. Prophets stand up on the hill. Crown of storms reveal your will. Every strike a holy word. Crown of storms cannot be blurred. Darkness scatter, chains undone. Crown of storms bring morning sun. Every roar a sacred sign. Crown of storms declare divine. Baya 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 baya. Baya 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 baya. Baya 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 baya. Voices chant across the land. Crown of storms strike Babylon and walls of pride them fall apart. Crown of storms touch every heart. Kings them tremble, eyes exposed. Crown of storms keep truth composed. Even night cannot conceal. Crown of storms forever real. Farmer kneel up on the ground. Crown of storms send rain around. Fields of hunger start to grow. Crown of storm, let mercy flow. No more famine, no more pain. Crown of storms, restore again. Every harvest bold and free. Crown of storms bring victory. Generations singing ah. Crown of storm, fulfill the law. No corruption I deface. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Baya 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 baya. Baya 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 baya. Baya 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 baya. Baya 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 baya. Baya baya. On the height, none of storms keep burning bright. Everlasting, bold and pure. Crown of storms will still endure. Every spark a righteous fire. Crown uplift the spirit higher. Eternal blaze no one can tame. Crown of storms remain the same. Crash, crash, thunder flame. Crown of storms exalt your name. Shine, shine, lightning true. Crown of storms protect the crew. Roll, roll, heavy sound. Crown of storms shake the ground. Crown of storms fierce and high. Judgment blaze across the sky. Never fading, never gone. Crown of storms keep rolling on. Forever roaring, bold and bright. Crown of storms shine your light. Strike the darkness, break the chain. Crown of storms bring peace again. Bye, 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 bye.
Ay, 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 kaya kusya man. When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire, throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away, throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright, throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong, throne of dawn correct the wrong. judgment, bold and true. Throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise. Throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame. Throne exalt Jah holy name. People gather on the plain. Throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air. Throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war. Throne of dawn, open door. Every nation side by side. Throne of dawn, remove the pride. Fish are cast upon the sea. Throne of dawn, bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground. Throne of dawn, spread peace around. Teacher speak with wisdom true. Throne of dawn, shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall. Throne of dawn, outshine them all. Warrior kneel the weapon down. Throne of dawn, bring healing crown. Every scar and every tear. Throne of dawn, remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing. Throne of dawn, crown Jah king. Glorious fire, bold and free. Throne of dawn, eternity. Everlasting morning flame. Throne of dawn, remain the same. Never fading, never gone. Throne of dawn, keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again. Throne of dawn, remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true. Throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame. Throne of dawn, exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright. Throne of dawn, keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long. Throne of dawn, the righteous song. Throne of dawn, pure and strong. Guide the people all along. Never silent, never still. Throne of dawn, reveal Jah will. Forever glowing, bold and free. Throne of dawn, eternity. Crown the morning, lift the day. Throne of dawn, light the way.
Mansa Davai Kruti Kaza Step by step upon the way, Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm, Jah keep the people safe and warm. Every footstep mark the ground with the truth that Jah has found. Babylon road lead to fall, but Zion path redeem us all. Path of Zion, straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Children rise, don't walk alone. Oi, oi, oi. Rasta is Zion, meditate, you man. Oi, oi, oi. Rasta is Zion, meditate, you man. Across the canyon, wide and deep, bridges rise where shadows creep. Made of mercy, built by grace, bridges link the human race. Step by step, the path is clear. Bridges carry us from fear. No more borders, no divide. Bridges shine on every side. Oh. One eye, crafted not with iron stone. Bridges grow from love alone. Every pillar carved in peace. Bridges let the hatred cease. No oppression cross the span. Bridges lift the heart of man. Every nation hand in hand. Bridges bind the broken land. Voices gather on the shore. Bridges call for something more. Songs of healing, drums of fire. Bridges lift the spirit higher. Even stranger, once apart. Bridges mend our broken heart. Every step a sacred vow. Bridges build the future now. Morning sun reveal the way. Bridges glow at break of day. Even storm cloud cannot hide. Bridges stand in holy pride. Babylon wall begin to fall. Bridges rise above it all. Every arch a song of light. Bridges guide us through the night. Worker hand in worker hand. Bridges stretch across the land. Carved by wisdom, shaped by time. Bridges chant the righteous rhyme. Through the valley, over sea. Bridges guard our destiny. Every step a melody. Bridges hum eternity. When the weary seek a rest, bridges lead them to the best. No more sorrow, no more chains. Bridges wash away the pains. Generations cross the span. Bridges strengthen every man. Glorious flaming shining might. Bridges keep the way upright. Everlasting, tall and free. Bridges mark our victory. From the mountain to the coast. Bridges hold the Holy Ghost. No more silence, no despair. Bridges prove that love is here. Shining beacon, bold and true. Bridges always carry through. Step, step, side by side. Bridges and the foolish pride. Rise, rise, shining flame. Bridges glorify your name. Walk, walk, don't look back. Bridges lead along the track. Walk, sing, sing, voices strong. Bridges guide us all along. Bridges of light, tall and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never breaking, never fall. Bridges connect the world for all. Forever glowing, strong and bright. Bridges shine your holy light. Through every trial, storm and fight. Bridges guide us into night. Bridges of mercy, bold and true. Open forever for me and you.
Zion, Raga, yeah, man. sublime. Every leaf and every stone sing a word of Jah alone. Babylon wall may try resist, voice of Jah they can't dismiss. Pure and strong, forever near, voice of Jah we always hear. Children stop and listen well, voice of Jah got truth we tell. Not in anger, not in hate, but in love so truly great. Every mother, every son, hear the voice, the two made one. Over mountain, river, sea, voice of Jah set we free. Whisper soft and thunder loud, voice of Jah call every crowd. Everlasting, pure and strong, voice of Jah within this song. Voice of Jah, mighty sound, shake the sky and shake the ground. Guide the humble, heal the weak. Voice of Jah to all who see. Generation after generation, voice of Jah. Na 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 Zion is higher man. Morning break with holy flame, Zion sunrise in Jah name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay, light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance we grow, every seed Jah blessing sow. Babylon night can overcome, Zion shine like rising sun. Zion rising bright and high, paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done, Zion bright like morning sun. Children
people, let the Babylon system fall, yeah man. At the edge where sky meets sea, book of horizon speak to me. Pages wide as morning flame, book inscribed your holy name. Every dawn a chapter new, book reveal what we must do. No corruption touch the line, book of horizon law divine. Elder, read the holy word, book of horizon must be heard. Every mark a shining sign, book connect the heart with time. Babylon ink cannot erase, book of horizon truth and grace. Every symbol bold and pure, book of wisdom still endure. Ah, 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 ah. Vision rise at break of day, book of horizon guide the way. Every sunrise mark a key, book unlock eternity. Storm may rage, but it remain, book of horizon break the chain. Every letter flame of light, book reveal what's just and right. Mother sing to soothe her child, book of horizon voice is mild. Every tale a seed of peace, book let mercy never cease. No more sorrow, no more war, book of horizon open door. Even stranger learn to see, book of love set spirit free. Poet chant up on the stage, book of horizon turn the page. Every nation find the line, book of justice still divine. Never silent, never still, book of horizon speak Jah will. From the desert to the sea, book of truth for you and me. Generation rise and pray, book of horizon light the way. Every corner, every land, book is written by Jahan. Glorious wisdom, bold and bright, book of horizon shine the light. Everlasting, strong and sure, book of truth will still endure. Turn, turn, page of flame, book exalt the holy name. Rise, rise, vision clear, book of horizon always near. Speak, speak, wisdom true, book of horizon guide with truth. Book of horizon vast and wide, keep the people true inside. Never ending, never gone, book of truth still carry on. Forever shining, bold and free, book reveal eternity. Across the mountain, through the night, book of horizon keep the light.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion roots, yeah, man. High up on the mountain top, Zion blessing never stop. Clouds surround, but light still shine. Mount of Jah forever mine. It stand unshaken, stand so tall. Mount of Zion, call we all. Every step me climb with song. Mount of Jah forever strong. Mount of Zion, Zion, call Jah name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Mount of truth, all people seek. It break the chain, it heal the soul. Mount of Zion, make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Mount of Jah, creation made. The elders chant, the children sing. Mount of Zion, crown for king. It echo drum, it echo horn. Mount of Jah, where peace is born. No Babylon can overthrow. Mount of Zion, blessings flow. Forever strong, forever true. Mount of Jah, for me and you. When storm a rage and thunder roll, Mount of Zion, guard my soul. It never shake, it never fall. Mount of Jah, stand over all. It call the nations, call them home. Mount of Zion, say no roam. Forever shining, bright and clear. Mount of Jah, forever near. When the trumpet call again, Mount of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never die. Mount of Jah beneath the sky. Love eternal, peace divine. Mount of Zion always shine. Everlasting, holy song. Mount of Jah forever strong. Climb high, step strong. Mount of Zion lead along. No wall, no chain can hold the way. Mount of Jah forever stay. Mount of Zion, holy height, shining day and shining night. Every pilgrim find the way. Mount of Jah forever stay. From earth below to heaven high. Mount of Zion never die. Aye, aye, aye.
Down by riverside with Zion, yeah man. Flowing down from mountain high, underneath Jah blessed sky. Crystal clear and cool me hand. Water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on Jah face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run for mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the drought a burn the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow. From Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call. River bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own. This water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jah way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest. Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong, flow slow, carry the seed till it grow. From hilltop high to ocean wide, river bring Jah love inside. No chain, no gate, no wall can bind. Water of life for all mankind. River of Zion, deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah song. From source to sea, from start to end, river of Zion, eternal friend.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion in the jungle, yeah man. From Zion hills I chant to rise. Holy sound reach to the skies. Song of mercy, song of peace, song of Jah brings sweet release. It heal the broken, lift the low. Song of Zion never flow. Every note a prayer divine. Song of Jah forever shine. Song of Zion strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. The drumbeat roll, the trumpet sound. Song of Zion shake the ground. It echo wide, it echo deep. Song of Jah no man can keep. Forever flowing, never end. Song of Zion feel we friend. It guide the nation, guide the youth. Song of Jah eternal truth. Me lift me voice, me heart rejoice. Song of Zion holy choice. It chase the fear, it chase the night. Song of Jah eternal light. No chain can bind, no wall can hold. Song of Zion more than gold. Forever chanting, strong and free. Song of Jah for you and me. It rise at dawn, it blaze at noon. Song of Zion never soon. It heal the sick, it bless the meek. Song of truth all people seek. Forever shining, never dim. Song of Jah eternal hymn. No end in sight, no fading sound. Song of Zion always found. Trumpet call again. Song of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never cease.
Song of Jah, eternal peace. From heaven high to earth below, Song of Zion always flow. Holy chant and holy fire, Song of Jah, lift higher. Sing loud, sing clear, Song of Zion always near. No hate, no chain can silence sound. Song of Jah forever found. Song of Zion, strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. From first voice to endless day, Song of Zion always stay. Zion roots, yeah man. Golden gate swing open wide. Zion welcome all inside. No man lock, no key control. Gates of Jah receive the soul. It shine with mercy, shine with grace. Open wide feet, every face forever open, never closed. Gates of Zion, truth exposed. Gates of Zion, wide and free. Open door fee, you and me. Every nation, every land, walk through guided by Jah hand. No guard of war, no iron chain. Gates of Zion break the pain. It call the humble, call the meek. Gates of truth all people seek. It shine eternal, never dim. Every gate a holy hymn, forever open, never gone. Gates of Jah forever strong. Me see the elder, see the youth, walking through the gates of truth. No passport need, no money pay. Gates of Zion open way. It bless the poor, it bless the kind. Gates of Jah, eternal mind, forever shining, wide and tall. Gates of Zion, feel we all. No Babylon can shut them tight. Gates of Zion, full of light. It welcome sinner, welcome saint. No deceit, no mask, no pain. Forever calling, never cease. Gates of Jah, eternal peace. Every step up, holy sound. Gates of Zion, holy ground. Deep in soil of sacred land, Jah plant roots with holy hand. Storm may rage, but still them stand. Eternal roots across the sand. Every season, come or go, still the righteous roots will grow. Babylon fire can't consume, eternal roots forever bloom. Eternal roots forever strong, stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky, eternal roots will never die. Eternal roots forever strong, stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky, eternal roots will never die. Roots of love, roots of peace, grow until the war shall cease. Roots of mercy, roots of flame, grow forever in Jah name. From the elder to the youth, roots of Zion carry truth. From creation till today, roots of Zion light the way. Roots so deep no axe can cut, no lie strong enough to shut. Through the drought and through the rain, eternal roots remain. Every culture, every tongue, sing the roots where we belong. From Africa to every land, eternal roots by Jah hand. Roots so mighty, roots so wide, carry people side by side. Roots of Zion never bend, eternal roots without end. Eternal roots forever strong, stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky, eternal roots will never die. Eternal roots forever strong, stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky, eternal roots will never die. Day by day and year by year, eternal roots still standing here.
Aye, aye, aye. This is Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Early in the morning, sunrise in gold. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the soul. Birds them a chant and the breeze whisper low. Rasta man walk on the green earth slow. Roots in a me veins, Jah fire in a me chest. Meditation deep, me spirit manifest. In a silence, me hear the truth confess. Life a secret, no need for stress. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Me say cleanse the soul like river wash stone. Drop the ego, standing truth alone. High grade aroma, touch throne. In a harmony, me build a new home. Herbs for the healing, herbs for the light. Me no need no pills, Jah guide me sight. One draw bring me close to heights. See visions in a star, them bright. Every puff of prayer, every breath divine. Link with the cosmos, me feel the sign. Time and illusion, me step out a line. In a timeless space, Rasta man align. Drums beat low like ancient code. Ancestral voices in a reggae mode. Me dance
dance with the moon, me chant with the trees, me reason with wind, me float with ease. This journey not just about blaze and chant, it's about roots and culture. Oh, you plant the seeds of love in heart, them grow till the whole world feel the righteous flow. Smoke, meditate and elevate, open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim jar rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. I tell food pon the fire bubbling sweet. Young cassava, no blood, no meat. Levitic clean heart, skip no beat. Balance me life, me not taste defeat. Sister and brethren gather in a circle. Share word, share herb, we never commercial. The vibes them pure like river universal. Unity real, no superficial. Chalice pass with respect and care. No greed, no rush, we aware. Each draw sacred like breath of air. One heart, one mind, one love declare. So when you feel lost, remember this line. Smoke with intention, align the mind. Meditate deep, leave Babylon behind. In a jar light, true peace you find. Zion echoes like thunder roll. Reggae wisdom, heal the soul. This not just music, this is control of self, of love, full whole.
Na na na. At Bubats and Sweat Kaya man. Me rise early when the sky's still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo groove, me soul retreat. Barefoot step, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heart beat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold your light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drumbeat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest, fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me trod the land with no distress. Me heart beats strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him set me youth, the mountain steep, but hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that not be seen, so me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach, but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high, Zion echoes echo in the sky.
Na 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 Zion roots, yeah man. Shining bright from holy sky, light of Zion never die. It pierced the dark, it chased the night. Light of Jah forever bright. It guide the children, heal the poor. Light of Zion open door. Every beam a holy song. Light of Jah forever strong. Light of Zion shine on me. Set me spirit, set me free. No more darkness, no more pain. Light of Jah forever reign. It glow at dawn, it blaze at noon. Light of Zion never soon. It bless the elder, bless the meek. Light of truth all people seek. It cut the chain, it break the lie. Light of Jah forever high, forever shining, never dim. Light of Zion, holy hymn. Me see it blaze upon the hill. Light of Zion shining still. It guide the tribe, it lead the way. Light of Jah both night and day. It heal the wounded, lift the low. Light of Zion ever show. No wicked shadow can remain. Light of Jah remove the chain. It shine within, it shine without. Light of Zion end all doubt. It bless the humble, guide the strong. Light of Jah, the righteous song. Forever true, forever clear. Light of Zion always near. It warm the soul, it calm the mind. Light of Jah for all mankind. When the trumpet sound at last, light of Zion never past. It blaze eternal, never fade. Light of Jah forever made. From dawn of time till endless day. Light of Zion shine the way. Eternal flame, eternal sun. Light of Jah forever one. Shine bright, shine high. Light of Zion fill the sky. No dark, no storm can hide away. Light of Jah forever stay. Light of Zion shine on me. Set me spirit, set me free. No more darkness, no more pain. Light of Jah forever reign. From east to west, from night to morn.
Na 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 na. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. From early dawn till setting sun, now your bingy drum a beat fi run. Echo deep in mountainside, call the children far and wide. Every strike a message clear, Jaja spirit always near. Drumbeat guide the righteous way, push the darkness far away. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true, call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time, to Jah love in perfect rhyme. Me hear the elder chant along, voice and drum in one strong song. It tell the tale from long ago, a prophecy we know must know. Drumbeat carry word of peace, tell the war and hate to cease. Every beat a healing sound, lift we high from off the ground. When the storm clouds start to rise, drumbeat call fi clear the skies. It shake the gate, it wake the soul, bring the people back to old. Babylon tremble when it hear, cause truth a beat so loud and clear. No army strong, no chain so tight, can stop the drumming Jaja life. Na 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 na. Na na na. Me see the youth them learn the play, keep the heartbeat every day. From tiny hands to seasoned palm, drumbeat bring a holy calm. It speak a language without word, every nation can be heard. Through the rhythm we unite, step together in Jah light. Oh oh. Nightfall come but still it sound, drumbeat roll through sacred ground. It echo wide across the land, guide we all with gentle hand, till the morning sun return. Drumbeat keep the spirit burn, in Zion heart it always stay. Beat of love to light the way. Whoa. Boom boom, beat for life, cut through trouble, cut through strife. No border, no wall, no chain, can hold in a bingy flame. From sunrise till day is done, drumbeat keep the people one. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true, call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time, to Jah love in perfect rhyme. From mountain top to valley deep, drumbeat of Zion we always keep. Zion Raga, yeah man. Blaze up the fire, fi cleanse the land, burn away Babylon hand. Every spark a holy sign, light the darkness, make it shine. Me see the flame dance in the night, guide the people to the light. Fire of redemption, pure and strong, lead we back where we belong. Fire of redemption, blaze so high, touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame, call on Jah holy name. Me hold the torch in a me palm, spread through valley, cross the plain, wash away the dirt and pain. Babylon try fi hide in shade, but your fire when laid, it light the road, it clear the way, till the righteous rule the day. Me see the youth them gather round, listen to the holy sound. Elder teach them truth from birth, fire bless the whole earth. No man can quench the flame of peace, it only grow, it never cease. Every tongue and every creed feel the fire of righteous deed. Night draw close but still it glow, light the steps where we must go. It warm the weak, it guide the lost. Fire of love, whatever the cost, till morning come and sky turn gold. Fire of redemption still hold, it blaze until the work is done, and Babylon wall come down. Blaze high, blaze low, through the spirit let it flow. Not for earth, but for heal. Show the world the truth so real. Touch in hand, we walk in might. Fire of Jah, bring the light. Fire of redemption blaze so high, touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame, call on Jah holy name. From mountain top to ocean deep, fire of redemption we always keep. Smoke ganja and meditate, man. Oh yeah. Early morning, sun start rise. Birds are sing like in the skies. Me step barefoot on the earth cool. Drafting me chalice, me spiritual tool. Me roll up herbs in banana leaf. Me give thanks for life, the soul find peace. No nice, just breezing at the tree. Meditation come naturally. Inhale the smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in a brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see your face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant the psalms, me call your name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herbal healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me empress they within the grove. She pick herbs filled with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes queen, let it grow. She light the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. We no chase clothes, no chase fame. We live idle, clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence, wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me
close me eye, me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke guide me soul. I am meditation make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep, Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke bring the light, burn away darkness of the night. Herba healing, word is sound, Jah vibration all around. Every puff a vision clear, me sight ancestors them draw near. Them whisper truth from long